Our tornado siren going off for test and Brownie. It's okay, Brownie. Yeah, she's in there too. It's okay. I know, it gets in You hear that annoying sound? Yeah, it woke you up, didn't it? I guess Brownie don't remember it from last year. Hi, Cootie. Hi, Cootie. Brownie, okay.
You've been set up by your friend Mindy, as well as your husband Jason, because they think clothes have got to grow up.
Still going. This is awful. Brownie, be good. I know. It's annoying. It'll go away in a minute. There it goes.
Check this out. This Visa card is loaded with $5,000 that you can use to buy a whole new...
Good. I'll let you out in a minute.